Every marble begins with raw, discarded glass, waiting to be reborn. From collection points, the glass travels to the heart of the factory.
Lower it down easy.
Precision at every step ensures no piece is lost.
This one is too big. Okay, sending it.
Quality begins even before the glass enters the furnace. The journey continues, guided by steady, mechanical hands. Even the roughest glass must first be tamed. From chaos comes uniformity, fragment by fragment. Sorting ensures only the perfect fragments proceed. Clean glass shines brighter, even before the flame.
Pressure holding steady, monitor the flow.
From collection to cleanliness, the raw material is now ready for transformation. Every piece of glass now enters the carefully controlled environment of the factory. Here, the raw glass is received and organized for the first inspection.
Steady flow today.
Even in a mechanized world, human hands remain vital. Careful attention ensures that only the right pieces progress.
Got another metal here. Passing the clean batch.
Automation complements human precision, classifying every fragment. Dry and sorted, the material is now ready for transformation. Even the tiniest adjustment can influence the marble's perfection. The journey continues as solid fragments approach their molten destiny. Here, fire begins the transformation from glass shards to liquid potential. Once solid, the glass becomes liquid energy, ready for shaping. Every gram is measured, precision begins in the liquid state. Flowing streams promise uniformity, the first step toward perfect spheres. Heat and motion collaborate to shape glass into manageable forms. Every cut is measured, ensuring each marble starts the same. From cut to shape, the journey toward perfection continues. Shapes emerge, imperfections smoothed by continuous motion. Cooling locks in form, preparing them for refinement. Even a single flaw can alter the perfection of a marble. With form secured, the glass is ready for its final high-tech transformation. High-tech rollers shape each sphere to perfection, ensuring uniformity. Controlled heat removes the last imperfections, preparing for flawless surfaces. Cooling locks in shape, readying them for their final polish. Each marble gleams under careful mechanical hands, reflecting light like perfection. Precision sorting ensures every marble matches exact dimensions. Intricate patterns emerge, turning glass into miniature works of art. Colors solidify as the marbles glide smoothly toward the finishing lines. Even subtle imperfections are detected by high-speed sensors. Technology ensures that only flawless marbles proceed. With shape and color perfected, the marbles enter the final stage of refinement. Final polishing brings out the deep, reflective brilliance of each marble. Every surface now reflects the precision behind its making. Even invisible particles are removed to ensure a perfect finish. Clean and dry, each marble is prepared for final handling. Stability ensures the shine remains untouched. Order replaces randomness as each marble takes its place. Every dimension is verified with microscopic accuracy. A final layer enhances brilliance and protects the surface. Heat seals the finish, locking in clarity and shine. Now complete in form, they move toward final inspection. Under intense light, even the smallest flaw is revealed. Human eyes still play a vital role in ensuring perfection. Advanced sensors detect what the eye cannot see. Strength is tested to ensure durability in every use. Measured force confirms structural integrity. Purity ensures the glass remains unchanged over time. Consistency is measured down to the smallest fraction. Only the best earn approval for distribution. Nothing is wasted, imperfections return to the cycle. With quality confirmed, the journey nears its final stage. With quality assured, the marbles move toward their final destination. Precision continues, even in the final count. Each container holds uniform perfection. Sealed and labeled, every pack tells its origin. Efficiency ensures safe and consistent handling. Stacked and secured, ready for transport. Protection ensures the journey continues without damage. From factory floor to global markets, the journey reaches completion. And this is how modern factories produce glass marbles from start to finish.